Hi, it's HowToReset, and today I'll show you how to back up Nothing Phone 4a Pro to Google Drive. So first go into the settings. Right here find System. In here we have the backups. And now click Confirm. Then Backup Now. We need to confirm with our password and wait for it till it's fully backed up. And it took a couple of minutes, and now it is ready. Your data is automatically backed up to your Google account when the device is idle. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like, and see you in the next one.